The 2015 general election is likely to be one of the most closely fought in recent generations. Old safe seats are no longer secure, and new political parties are challenging the old order. Next month, Made in Cardiff will be organising live debates for the key constituencies around the city. These are the seats which are likely to hold the balance of power in the next Parliament. For the first time on television, the electorate will be able to quiz not just the party leaders or their sitting MPs. This time we're opening up the whole list of candidates to let you decide. If you want to be part of the live audience for these elections debates, then go to madeincardiff.tv/elections. The live election debates, only on Made in Cardiff.